Genesis 41 and 42 speak about Joseph, who was sold into slavery by his jealous brothers. He was falsely accused, imprisoned, and forgotten by everyone except God. And then we see that the famine drives his brothers to Egypt, where Joseph is now in charge of grain. They come not recognizing him, but he remembers them. Joseph does not immediately reveal himself. Instead, he tests them, perhaps to see if they have changed or to awaken their consciences. And when he hears them speak remorsefully about what they had done to him years ago, Joseph turns away and weeps. A modern day story kind of mirrors this. During a war situation, two brothers were separated. One ended up in a refugee camp, while the other survived in the countryside. Nearly 2 decades later, they found each other through a local reconciliation effort. When they met, both of them were silent. Then one brother broke down and said, "I thought you died. Every day I continued to pray for you." The other said, "I thought I would never be loved again." And they embraced, crying. Like Joseph, these two brothers carried the wounds of betrayal, loss, and survival. And like Joseph, God used their pain to write a story of reunion and redemption. Sometimes, the very people who hurt us are the ones who return seeking mercy. And like Joseph, God calls us not to revenge, but to forgiveness and maybe even provision.